Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this product here. These are wide mouth mason jar lids. So there's 16 of these and they come in with these silicone seals too. So if you want, you have these lids here. And then we just set these in the bottom. That's going to be a nice waterproof seal. Got my mason jar here. And it just screws right down on top of them like that. So super handy. I kind of like the plastic ones. The metal ones, a lot of times they get rusty over time. Can't really put them in the dishwasher. Seems to help them rust faster. They might be... Yeah, I just prefer the plastic ones over them. So we got a nice lot of these mason jars, and they're good for holding different things into, not just like if you're canning, but all kinds. If you're doing like, if you have a lot of spices and things like that, you like to get them in bulk, the mason jars are nice for that, or just a ton of different things. But this creates a nice airtight seal on there. And like I said, oops, there's 16 of these seals with the lids on there, and we use these a lot. Lots of mason jars. They're super handy for storage. I like how you can see through them also, so you can actually see what's in them. It's kind of nice too. But these are, you know, they go on there just a lot more handy, and they also have these little ridges on the side here, so sometimes these can get pretty on there pretty good. They're difficult to unscrew, so those would help in getting this off of there. So anyways, thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. I hope it was beneficial for you. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.